He was an assistant attorney general who resigned after admitting to a relationship with a victim in a rape case. Thank you for joining us for Action News at 6. I'm Carolyn Clifford.
And I'm Dave Llewellyn. Brian Kolodziej was also the lead prosecutor on another controversial sex crimes case, first exposed by the 7 investigators. Tonight, he's charged with 2 felonies.
7 investigator Heather Catallo joining us live right now with the very latest on this case. Heather.
Well, Carolyn and Dave, this has been under investigation for more than a year now. That former assistant attorney general now charged with 2 crimes. But some of the people involved in one of the cases say they don't think these charges go far enough.
The man who once helped prosecute people will now be facing a judge as a defendant.
We were charging Brian Kolodziej with 2 counts, 2 criminal felony counts, what is a common law charge of misconduct in office.
Kent County prosecutor Chris Becker announced the charges today against former Assistant Attorney General Brian Kolodziej for alleged crimes committed in an Isabella County case.
Becker and Michigan State Police investigated Kolodziej after he was forced to resign from the AG's office in September of 2019. Attorney General Dana Nessel revealed at the time that Kolodziej had admitted to a relationship with a victim in a rape case from Isabella County.
We can't go into the facts or details of why, what led to those decisions. We have to let the court process play out. We are not charging him with anything relating out of the Oakland County case, the McMaster Orr case.
Kolodziej was also the lead prosecutor on an Oakland County case where Nessel had charged a police officer, Sean McMaster, and his stepfather with sexually abusing the officer's daughter, even though both men had been cleared by the Oakland County prosecutor and sheriff, and both men denied the allegations.
After the 7 investigators exposed questions about Kolodziej's actions during the case, Nessel dismissed the charges, saying the former career prosecutor's actions were, quote, tantamount to serious violations of our prosecutorial standards.
He was very involved with Joanna McMaster and the alleged victim in this case in Oakland County. He took him on to the Detroit Institute of Art. He took him on a therapy writing session. He had a squirt gun fight in his office. There's evidence that he may have played a guitar and sang our songs. Highly unusual behavior.
As part of the investigation, Becker reviewed perjury allegations against State Trooper David Busacca and said he found no evidence of that. When asked why Busacca swore under oath that semen was found during a search warrant in the McMaster case, Becker admitted he did not know that a judge had ruled no semen was found based on the testimony of 4 lab technicians.
So you never actually spoke to any of the lab techs?
No, I mean, that we had lab reports from them. So unless there were forged or something like that, which that would be unusual in my experience.
Well, there is testimony under oath in a different case that disputes that.
Not aware of that at all.
The strange thing about this is that that special prosecutor did not talk to a lot of the people involved in the McMaster case. I talked to McMaster's attorney tonight. She told me, quote, we disagree with the prosecutor's view of the evidence. Contrary to the statements at the press conference, all of the Michigan State Police lab technicians involved in this case have testified under oath that no semen was found. I don't know why the prosecutor didn't review this evidence. I also spoke with the Oakland County undersheriff who told me, quote, I am shocked that no one from the Kent County Prosecutor's Office ever reached out to the Oakland County Sheriff's Office to talk to us about our investigations that clearly showed that these alleged assaults never took place. Also, I have reached out to Brian Kolodziej for comment on all of this. So far, he has not gotten back to me. Reporting live, I'm Heather Catallo, 7 Action News.
Heather, thank you for the update and the live report.